Hey everyone, on today's video, we're going to show you how to log into Temu on your PC in under 2 minutes. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Temu website at temu.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. Next, you'll have two options: log in with your email or phone number. Choose whichever is easier for you. Enter your email or phone number and hit next. If you picked email, check your inbox for a verification code. If you choose your phone number, look for a text message for a code. This time I'm going to choose email. Once you get the code, type in on the website and click verify. Boom, you're in. Now you can start browsing, shopping or checking your orders all from your PC. See, that was quick and easy. Now you can set to shop on Temu from your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more quick tutorials. See you next time.